HDFC Manufacturing Fund NFO. Will this NFO help you create wealth or will it just hurt your wealth creation process? Come, let's find out by doing a detailed analysis in this video. This HDFC Manufacturing Fund NFO is open till 10th May 2024. Now let's start by analyzing some of its key features. It is a thematic equity scheme which comes under manufacturing category. It's an open-ended fund type. It uses Nifty India Manufacturing TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount for investment is ₹100. The fund is managed by Rakesh Sethia. Moving on, let's discuss this HDFC Manufacturing Fund investment philosophy and investment objective. Investment philosophy. It aims to invest in opportunities across manufacturing theme. Investment objective. It aims to create long-term wealth by investing in equity and equity-related instruments of manufacturing theme. Now let us see the suitability of this HDFC Manufacturing Fund NFO. It seeks to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities of companies falling under manufacturing theme. This scheme is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on manufacturing theme. Let's gain some insights into the pros of investing in this HDFC Manufacturing Fund NFO. This fund is diversified among the top performing companies of the manufacturing theme. Investors seeking for allocation in the manufacturing theme can invest in this fund. If the manufacturing theme performs and delivers well, then that investor can even get inflation beating returns, as it is a high risk, high return policy. It is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on manufacturing theme's futuristic performance. Before you make any critical investment decision, just like knowing the pros of investing, you should also be aware of the cons of investing as well. It is riskier for short-term investors. This fund is not suitable for your core portfolio. As an investor, you should always remember this. Not all great themes can translate into stock market returns. It at times can give overexposure to your portfolio, which again can lead to negative triggers as well. Not flexible and dynamic when compared to diversified funds, can add more volatility to your portfolio. There's a high concentration risk involved in this fund. If the manufacturing theme underperforms, then you as an investor should be ready to receive negative as well as zero returns as well. The timing and circle of competence should be on the higher side, so it is always advisable to approach a financial planner before investing in any NFOs. So far we have covered all the key aspects that you need to know about this HDFC Manufacturing Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. Should you as an investor look to invest in this fund or avoid this fund? If you are a first time investor or a conservative investor, then you should look to avoid this fund. If you are looking to invest in manufacturing theme, in market there are existing manufacturing theme which has a good track record. If you look to invest in those funds, it will be more than beneficial for you to achieve your financial goals. And if you are looking for funds for your core portfolio, then this fund may not be ideal. And if you don't know when to enter or exit the manufacturing theme, then you should look to avoid this NFO. But before you make any financial decision, it is always advisable to approach a professional financial planner, as he will be able to guide you on investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio and allocation. With this guidance, you will be able to make good financial decisions which will be helpful for you in achieving your financial goals.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.